Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. Why am I doing a house tour on my channel? If that is your question, let me answer that quickly. So the first reason is this house is really unique. It is a semi-duplex house, I would say. So you might learn new words or vocabulary related to house. The second reason is this house is undergone some wear and tear and it needs a renovation. So we will be moving out of this property soon. So I wanted to create a memory of it. The third reason is at the end of the video, I will give you a homework. I will show you a artwork of the house and I will ask you to describe it in English. So all the reasons covered. Let's begin with the house tour. So, welcome to the house tour. As you can see, this is the entrance. This is the area where my father-in-law sits and talks to visitors. So that is a door which leads to the backyard. So this is the main door of the house. So welcome to the house. This is the hall come living room. So the usual stuff that you see in everybody's living room, a TV, a speaker, some sofa, then we have a center table. So let me tell you here that my father-in-law is obsessed with Lord Ganesha and elephant. So as I show you the house, you will see a lot of things that resemble either an elephant's trunk or Lord Ganesha. So as I go ahead with the house tour, you will be able to realize what I am talking about. So if you see this table, you can see the legs of the table resemble elephant's trunk. So the four legs. Then we have another showpiece here, wall hanging, sorry. Then we have some more articrafts here. Lord Ganesha again. Then we have some laughing Buddhas here. Okay. Then we have some more elephants here. And the one that you see at the top, that is made up of coconut. So it is Lord Ganesha carved on a coconut. So if you come to this area is a bit messy. So we have a storeroom here. So next, from the hall, we just need to climb a couple of steps. This one leads to the dining and kitchen, and these steps lead to bathroom, toilet, and our utility. So let's go this way first. So this is our dining hall. There are some showpieces here. And then there is some cutlery, some glass bowls and plates. So this is bedroom number 1. We have one bedroom in the ground floor. Okay. So we have some storage wardrobes here and there. Okay, now coming out of the bedroom, we will head straight to the kitchen. The kitchen is a little old-fashioned. As I told you, the house has undergone some wear and tear and it needs some renovation. So this is a very basic and simple kitchen. Next, there's 2 doors to the kitchen, the one which we entered from the dining hall and one which leads outside. So let's come outside. So this is the room where you have your wardrobes, your clothes, and then there's a bathroom and toilet that side. And here is the dressing table. This is the backyard basically, where my maid is currently working. And yeah, that alley leads us to some more gardening and plants. Same with here, even there is an alley that side. Next, we just get down from these steps and we again enter the hall. So let's go up now. We need to climb some stairs. So there is another Ganesha here. Okay, by the way, I just forgot to show you one more Ganesha, which is made up of ivory, and it's really beautiful. I can't miss this one. So yeah, I hope you can see that. Yes. Now, by the way, this house has a lot of art and painting. So let me show you one beautiful painting which is in the dining room. So look at that. I guess that is Meera. Yeah, there's another painting here. Yeah, Sri Krishna and Radha, I guess. I will show you an enormous painting of elephant. So here it is. Isn't it beautiful? It's a handmade painting. Now, let's go up finally. Some more stairs. So this is like a study room. Okay. So some books, some more paintings, and here there is a huge collection of Lord Ganesha. And there is a library, plenty books here. So that is it about the study room. Now there is a slope. There are no stairs here, there is a slope. So here there is a balcony which we have closed because there is a lot of dust entering from there. So let's go further up. So this door basically leads to the terrace. I think it is locked. Okay, it leads to the terrace. There is the terrace, and we have another washroom there. Okay. Look at this beautiful painting on the wall. And I'll show you one more painting. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So that's another painting. There's a chandelier, and the building is quite high, if you can see. Okay, so now let us come to another bedroom. So this is another bedroom. We have a table here, a dressing table. Okay, then a bed. I work here sometimes. Let's come to another bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. So some wardrobes, air conditioner, old style air conditioner. Then more wardrobe here. We have some side tables, some toys of my son. So yes. So let's go down now. So if you can see, we have come all the way up here. Yes, I forgot to show you another artwork of the house, which is quite unique, and you will rather get confused sometimes. What I was talking to you was this one. Remember the stairs that we went up all the way? Look at this painting, that part, this one painting. It resembles a musical instrument. Isn't it different and really unique? So let me show you the house from, and by the way, this is a big poster. So let me show you the house again. So 2 bedrooms up, 1 study room, there is a bedroom downstairs. So yes, now let me show you what I had been talking about. By the way, even the main door is, let me close and show you. That is indeed a beautiful design. Okay, now let me show you what I was talking about. I was talking about this masterpiece. This has been done on the wall. Let me go closer. So, I know it is a bit dusty, but this is your homework. Just look at the picture and try to describe what is happening in it. Okay? Well, I think you enjoyed the home tour. Thank you for watching the complete video. Take care.